Well, hello, and thank you for checking out this course on the AZ-900 exam, Microsoft Azure Fundamentals, and my name is Scott Duffy. In this course, we're going to go through all of the requirements of the AZ-900 exam. AZ-900 is perfect for two types of people. One is if you're the type of person who is not interested in going ahead and getting those advanced level certifications, either the associate level or the expert level into DevOps or into security, any of those exams, but you just want to get in to learn about the cloud, and wouldn't it be nice to have a badge or an accomplishment to put on your resume, to put on your LinkedIn, to say that you know this information. Taking this AZ-900 exam is the perfect way to prove that you have knowledge without having to go all the way down the rabbit hole and potentially get past a point where you're not even interested in going. The other type of person that would be very good for this exam and for this course is somebody who does want to get down to the associate level, to the advanced level, to the experts or the security certification. What you might want to do is start off at this first stop and spend several hours learning cloud concepts, the core Azure services, the ideas about security, privacy, compliance, and trust, and some of the other elements that are involved in Microsoft Azure. And this way, when you do go into the next associate level tests or the expert level tests, you'll have a head start. You'll have already proven this knowledge, and taking those courses from me or from other people and taking these exams will be a lot easier. So either you're not at all interested in going this route, or you are interested, and this is an optional first step to get onto more advanced topics. So in this course, if you've never taken a course from me before, the way that I do this is I go through the requirements of the exam one by one. There is a video inside this course for every single one of these requirements listed on the requirements page. So as you see on the requirements page, there are videos to talk about each one of these topics, and I go from start to finish through them. Okay? So thank you so much for checking out this course. I would love to see you inside. So go ahead and hit that buy button and get your career within the cloud started by taking the AZ-900 exam and by taking this course.